everyone, my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I just want to share with you 4 new DIYs that I made using things that I already have at home, things that I get from Dollar Tree, from Target, from the Target dollar spot. Just some few really easy and budget-friendly DIYs that you can do at home to decorate your home for Valentine's or maybe any other season, because these DIYs are very neutral. I think you can use Valentine's decor all year round. So I just hope that you like and enjoy this video as much as I do creating all of these DIYs. And yeah, if you like them, please say big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Please make sure that you are subscribed. So many DIYs and ideas that are coming, so make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, guys. I'm posting every single week on my webpage, JAZOMY.com. So I'm going to leave you the link in the description box. You need to check that out. And also on my other channel, JAZOMY Home. I hope that you like and enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, for this project, I'm going to be using this sign from Dollar Tree that has like a tag shape, and what I'm going to be doing is to remove the tag that has on the top, and then I'm going to be painting my sign with my Waverly chalk paint in white color, but I'm actually going to give it just one thin coat of paint to make it look like a little bit distressed, and at the same time my sign is going to have more dimension. Then what I'm going to be doing is to create like a shiplap look, and for that I'm going to be using my roller and a black marker, and I'm going to be creating straight lines with my roller all over my sign. I decide to draw my lines with the width of my roller. You can do the same, or you can do it with any width that you want, maybe 2 inches apart. I think mine's are about 1.5 inches between each one. Okay, now at the top I think this sign needs something, so I'm going to be using these rings that I get on clearance on Walmart a long time ago, and I'm going to be gluing those on the top and cover that small hole that my sign has. And then I'm going to be using this nautical rope from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut a small piece, I'm going to make a knot, and I'm going to glue it on the top, and then the rope on the back, just to have like a small hoop to be able to hang my sign. Okay, now for the bottom of the sign, I decide to use this small jar sign that I get also from Dollar Tree. This sign is from Christmas, but I'm pretty sure you can find something similar. So what I'm going to be doing now is to remove the jute twine on the top and also all the stickers to be able to paint my sign. You can paint your jar sign any color you want. I decide to use these Waverly chalk paint in like a ballet slipper color. I think that's the name of these color paint, and I'm going to be painting all my sign. I'm going to give it 2 coats and then let it dry. If you want, you can sand all the edges once the sign is dry, just to give it more dimension. For the top of the jar, I decide to use this burlap ribbon that I get from Dollar Tree. I cut a small piece and I glue it on the back side, and that way I'm going to make sure like that my lid is going to pop out a little bit more, and then you can also add jute twine. Okay, now that my jar sign looks like this, maybe you can add a decal if you want, but if you don't have a Cricut or you don't have sticker, it's okay, you can leave it like that. And I'm going to be sticking my jar sign on my big sign with hot glue on the bottom part, and then you can add whatever you want on the top of the jar. So I decide to put a few stems of this greenery that I get from Walmart, and I really like it, and only cost 99 cents. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to stick it on the top of this jar with hot glue, and I'm gonna try to like hide that burlap ribbon with this greenery. Once I was done with that, I stick this small heart that I get from Dollar Tree. I stick it on my jar, and then yeah, that's all. This is how my project looks like, and I'm pretty happy how it ended up looking with a high-end look and super cute, perfect for Valentine's and this spring season that is coming. For this next project, I'm going to be using this sign from Dollar Tree, and I love the shape of this sign and the thickness. So I'm going to be using these, and I'm going to be removing like that paper piece that has on the top and that has all the glitter, because I don't want to have glitter on my work area. So I'm going to be removing that, and then I'm going to sand everything, and I'm going to be sanding also on one of the sides just to make sure that I have the perfect heart shape. Now you can paint your sign the color you want, maybe red, white. If you're looking for something a little bit more neutral, I decided to use the swirly chalk paint in the Ballet Slipper color, and I'm going to paint my sign with 2 coats of paint and then let it dry. Once it is dry, I always like to use my sanding sponge and sand all the edges of the signs just to give it more dimension to my piece. I want to make like a small cupcake stand, so I'm going to be using this wooden candle holder that I get from Amazon. It comes in a set of 4 for a very good price, so I'm going to be using one. I'm going to be staining these with my special walnut color, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I just have to stick it on the back side with hot glue, and that's all. This is how my project looks like. If you want, you can use any other candle holder from Dollar Tree, but if you like this wooden one, you can get it from Amazon, and the link is going to be in the description box. This is a super easy DIY that you can do. It looks amazing, and it's perfect for Valentine's. Okay, next project, and it is a very easy one. So I'm going to be using this dowel that I get from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting my dowel using a dog nail cutter. It is super easy to cut dowels using that. And then I'm going to be using this concrete, it's like a vase that I get from a Christmas tree, the ones that you can get from the Target dollar spot, and I'm going to be using it to stick my dowel inside with hot glue. Then I'm going to be using this wooden heart that I get from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be staining these using my special walnut color, and then you can add a sticker or a decal using your Cricut. I did one using XOXO in white color, and then I stick that decal on my heart. And once I have that part done, this is how my heart is going to look, and I'm going to stick it on the dowel that I stick already on the concrete base. And it is a super easy DIY, like I said, but I think it looks super cute with those textures, and I think it's perfect to put on a office to hold the papers, or maybe your kitchen, on any other surface. And I think it turned out super cute and budget friendly. For the next project, I'm going to be using these round wooden plaque that I get from the Target dollar spot for only $3, and I really like it because it's double-sided. You can use it on both sides, and I'm going to be using the white part. And I'm also going to be using these love sign that I get from Dollar Tree, and I really like it. Oh my god, this year Dollar Tree have so many signs and things that you can use to create really high-end DIYs, and I love these signs. So I'm going to be sticking these on my round circle plaque with hot glue. If you don't found these round circle plaque from the Target dollar spot, you can also use any other sign from Dollar Tree. It doesn't matter the shape, and you can paint it like this using like a distressed look. Now I decided to put some greenery on the top of the sign to make like a wreath or like a sign from a front door. So I'm going to be using this greenery from Walmart, and I really like it. It's super cute. So I'm going to be sticking that greenery on this piece of paper just to be able to maybe reuse later this sign for another project. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that, and then I'm going to be using these pink pieces. I don't know the name of these things, but they are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be sticking a few on my sign. They come in different colors, and I decided to use the pink ones just to have that Valentine's touch on my home. As a final touch, I'm going to be sticking this bow that I made using a ribbon from Walmart that I have a long time ago, and also this small one in black and white colors just to give it a nice modern farmhouse touch. Guys, this is how my project ended up looking, and I love it. I think it's perfect now for Valentine's to hang it on my front door, but also for this spring season that is coming, and I'm really excited because I have so many DIYs and ideas on mine that I want to share with you guys. So yeah, I hope that you like and enjoy this video as much as I do creating all of these DIYs, and I hope that you like them. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know. I really want to know which of these projects was your favorite. I can't decide which one is mine, but I want you to let me know which one is yours. So let me know that in the comments, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages. I remember that I have a new blog post, so make sure that you check the link in the description box. It's JAZOMY.com. Love you so much, guys. Mwah. See you on my next video. Bye.